Okay, I actually never did that before, but today I want to clean my Maytag dishwasher. So I've taken out the nozzle support, as you can see here. Also taken out the trays, and yeah, so I should have done that actually before. And now we're gonna clean that, and then I'm actually gonna show you how we put it back together. And here you see the filter, and I guess it needs a good clean all. Yeah, I've taken the filter out, and now we have that stuff in here, which I actually just honestly don't want to know what it is. But yeah, so I'm gonna clean all of that. Okay, next step will be cleaning the top of the filter, this part, and hopefully it will look better once we've cleaned it. I'm actually using disinfective or sanitizing wipes, and I'm gonna wipe all of that. I've decided I'm going to use the garden hose to clean that part, so give it a good clean. It actually turns out the garden hose does a perfect job, so I'm honestly gonna clean the rest also, or pre-clean it with the garden hose. And now you see the filter is clean, and also the inside. This is the upper spray nozzle, and you see, and I didn't realize that it needs a lot of cleaning. And what I'm going to do, I'm actually gonna put water all the way through here as well, but now let's hose it. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm gonna spray water in here, and I hope I can show that. So you see it's got perfectly clean. I am actually super happy with that, and I sprayed water in here, and the water came out here and also on the top nozzle. Okay, I put part of the filter in here. What I'm doing, I'm actually just gonna clean here as good as I can with a sanitizing wipe. And then we are going to reassemble all, and then we should be good for some more cleaning. I mean dishwasher. Alrighty, so I actually clipped this in here again. I clipped this one in, and now finally we have to clip in the top part. There is a hole here, and then we clip it in there. Okay, it's a bit fiddly. Hope you can see that. We clipped it here, and we clipped it there, and we connected here and also there. Let's just check if it holds. That one holds. This one as well. Okay, now we get the tray. You see the top tray has a connector here for its nozzle, like you see here. Now let's put it in. We have attached the tray again, and now you need this part, and it has to go in here so that the tray is not popping out. Final step, we have to attach the lower spray nozzle, and you see these grooves here, and basically we just screw it on here. And now we are good. Let's check if it works. Everything looks good here. This one is steady. This one automatically pops in there. And now we attach the lower tray again. What I'm doing now as a final step, I'm actually put the dishwasher cleaner in there, and then we should be good. And final step, we have the dishwasher cleaner in here, and now we give it a good clean, and we should be good to go. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I actually never did that, in the last years cleaning the filter, but my dishwasher actually made funny noises, so I thought I'll try to disassemble it and clean it. I hope that might help you.